If LED bulb does not light up, it's due to reversal of positive and negative wire. Just pull out the socket shown connected to indicator. Push a pointed pin through highlighted yellow and red holes to remove wires from socket. Just reverse/interchange the position of wire highlighted in red and amp. Yellow, put the red side wire to yellow side to red side to change positive to negative and negative to positive. Find the wire connected to indicator switch. Disconnect 1 and amp 2.
Now connect 1 from indicator to 4 from hazard flasher and 3 from flasher to 2 of bike.
Connect 5 from flasher to switch given with it. Check and fix the light and switch to handlebar.